Hi all you awesome people! Here are my top 5 reasons as to why you should start using cloth diapers. Cost, eco-friendly, reusability, early potty training, and cute prints. And don't worry, I'll also tell you why you shouldn't use cloth diapers at the end of the video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Anissa and I summarized parenting books into short videos weekly. I also create videos on our own parenting style. Let's go through the top 5 reasons why you should start using cloth diapers. Reason number 1, cost. Did you know the average cost of a disposable diaper is 30 cents a piece? And a baby will go through about 8 or more disposable diapers per day. And the entire time they're a baby until potty trained is roughly 5,000 to 10,000 diapers. So the ultimate cost in the end is roughly about $1,000 to $2,000. If you're looking at those biodegradable, non-toxic diapers, then you should be estimating about $3,000 to diaper your baby until they are potty trained. So, how much do cloth diapers cost? Well, it depends on which ones you buy, but you should estimate about an average of $300 for a smaller stash and maybe about $500. That would be a good range. I have a very small stash of diapers and I did get some new and also some used. So I've spent a total of $200 for my set of cloth diapers. Now, if you're looking at reducing the cost of cloth diapers, there's also that option. You can purchase them used. There's lots of families that are selling their used cloth diapers after they've had their babies and they're not going to have any more babies. So they'll sell it at a much cheaper rate. Reason number 2, cloth diapers are more environmentally friendly. I understand that I'm using more water, energy, just simply by washing them and doing a lot more laundry. Did you know that disposable diapers take up to 500 years to break down? So you're probably thinking, okay, fine, 500 years, that's a really long time. But what if I buy biodegradable diapers? That's much better, right? Wrong. I'm sorry. I was really interested in environmental science when I was in high school, and I studied how landfills were made. Let me quickly tell you how a landfill is made. You dig a gigantic hole, then you put a waterproof barrier at the bottom because you don't want any of that liquid sewage trash to go into the groundwater. That would be really bad. And then you also have to put in a pump system and chambers to release any gas. Then you dump in all the trash. It goes in, compacted, all the way up until you have a mountain of trash. Then more dirt, waterproof barrier, dirt, cover it out, compact it, put some plants on it, and make it look like a hill. To properly compost a biodegradable diaper, you need dirt, air, and water to circulate. And that's how composting simply works. So biodegradable diapers aren't any better because it's still ending up in the landfill. Unless, of course, you're the one burying the diapers in your yard, or you're composting it yourself, or you have a composting system that will take it. Reason number 3, reusability. We're going to be reusing the diapers that our first baby used, and then we're going to use it for our second baby. Also, these newborn diapers I didn't use for my first child, but you know what? My sister, I had her borrow them and she's used it for her kid, and now I'm going to use it for my second kid. Same with these larger diapers as well. Reason number 4, cloth diapering provides an incentive to early potty training. Well, did you know that in 1947, American parents had their child begin potty training, or if not completed potty training, by 18 months? This was before the invention of disposable diapers. And now the average age of a potty trained child is well over 2 years old and even pushing to 3 years old. And this is because of the great marketing campaign done by Disposable Diapers. My last reason why you should switch to cloth diapers is for the cute little prints. As you can see, you can get plain ones of one single color, or you can get fancy ones like this. They come with a range of prints and they're super adorable. So I also don't like to hide them in their clothes, like having them wear pants. but that's another video. Now for reasons why you shouldn't use cloth diapers. First, it's more work. Yes, you're doing more laundry. However, it's not that much more work. For the stash that I have, and I have a very small stash, I would suggest about 24 diapers at least for each stage, and you have to do laundry about every other day. But if you don't know about newborns or having a new baby, laundry, you just have more laundry either way, so it doesn't really make that much of a difference when you do cloth diaper or not. If you don't want to wash the diapers, you can also opt into a cloth diapering washing service, and that will just be more money, but then you don't have to do the laundry yourself. The only other reason I have for not using cloth diapers is potential leakage. They are not as absorbent as disposable diapers. They're not filled with all those chemicals in it, but there is a different types of inserts or the soaker pads that you can use that will be more effective than others. Comment below if you have used cloth diapers or if you plan to use cloth diapers. Click here if you want to learn more about the history of disposable diapers and early potty training. That's all I have for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, and with love from the Kajang family to yours. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!